Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Gupta. In this episode, we shall learn how through a business card you can get your dream job. But before that, let me welcome you on placement guidance with me. Let's start with the basics. It is the small printed card with the dimension of 3.5 cross 2 inches. It contains information of the business enterprise and of the individual. This is the physical record of the contact for the future reference. The purpose of the business card is to answer the questions like who you are, what you can do for them, and how to contact you for that, for which it contains the information like company name, logo, website, your name, job title, the contact details like postal address, landline number, mobile number, fax, email ID. There are two formats of business card. In the first format, the information is printed only in first side like this, and the information what I just told you is there in the first side. In the second format, in the back of the card, the additional information related to the business is given, a gist of the services, product, facility you provide. Now, what is the importance it carries for you? The very first importance is it has your contact details. So when there is a need, person can contact you. It is a very good tool to have the branding of individual and of the organization. This is again a networking tool. It is a very professional approach to share your contact details and includes credibility. Even in the current era of digitalization, people still prefer this traditional mode of exchanging the contact information through the hard copy in the form of business card. It has the human connect and personal touch. Now, how to exchange business card? So, hold the business card from the corner and faces towards the receiver. As a receiver, if you are at the other end, then with the same courtesy, you hold the card and before putting it in your bag, look at it properly and then place it in your bag. It is very rude of placing the business card in your bag without looking at it. So please don't do it. As a professional, invest in a decent business card holder. It will help you in organizing your business cards. Now the important part comes, how through a business card you can attract your dream job. For this, I have a task for you. What you need to do is to have your own business card. You can take the help of a desktop, or you can just simply use a paper and pen and design your own business card with the details of your ideal job. The must-haves, you already know what should be there in the business card. Be as much artistic and imaginative as you can to make it appealing. On your screen, you can see some samples. Now, what you need to do is first that keep the copy of this business card with yourself and look at it as a first thing in the morning. It will work with the principle of law of attraction. Every time when you look at it, it will instruct your brain to keep an eye on all the opportunities you are encountering throughout a day, which can make you a bit closer towards your dream job. Then look at it as a last thing before going to bed. It will program your subconscious mind for the ideal job, and it will put an alert and we set up the things in a way that it will always have the attractiveness and the alertness for the job you are aspiring for. So hope these things will help you. Please share your feedback in the comment box and do not miss to subscribe and like, and do share this video with the people you are finding ambitious. Thank you for watching.